Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Rogue key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and pull out the emergency key blade. This step provides access to the key fob's casing, making the next steps much easier. It's a simple start to a quick fix. Now that the emergency key is out, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key blade was. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the key fob. You'll hear a slight click as the two halves separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. Take your time to ensure a smooth opening. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click shut. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks securely. Before you go, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Now, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.